Hello everyone. So today we are learning about naming words. So let's start. What do you mean by naming words? Naming words are those words that is a name of a people, name of a people, name of a place, name of an animal or a thing. Things are those which cannot speak, that is non-living things. That is called the naming word. So let's start. Write the naming words in the correct column. So there are four types of column. That is a name of a people, name of a place, name of an animal or a name of a thing. So let's start. So Rita is the name of a girl. So Rita is the name of a girl. So where we have to write, that is a name of a people. So Rita we have to write in a people. Next, Agra. So Agra where we have to write, that is in a place. Agra is a place. So here we have to write Agra. Next, book. Book is a thing because it cannot speak. Yes, it is a thing. It is a non-living thing. So where we have to write, that is in a thing. Book. Dolphin. Dolphin is a animal. So where we have to write here in the name of an animal. Next, table. Table is a non-living thing. It cannot speak. Yes, so we have to write in a thing. Table. Next, Sanya. Sanya is the name of a girl. So where we have to write, that is the name of a people. Next, school. School where we have to write. It is a place. Yes, where we have to write. School. We used to go school every day. So in a place we have to write school. Bag. Bag cannot speak. Yes, it's a thing. So bag we have to write in a thing. Next is Anshu. Anshu is the name of a girl. So where we have to write, that is in a name of a people. Cat. Cat is the name of a animal. So where we have to write name of a animal. Lock. Lock is a thing. Yes, because it cannot speak. Yes, and it's a non-living thing. So lock we have to write here. Rat. Rat is an animal. So where we have to write in the name of an animal. Next, Delhi. Delhi is a place. So Delhi we have to write in a place. ठीक है, name of a place. Madhav. Madhav is the name of a boy. So where we have to write here, name of a people. Garden. Garden where we have to write in a place of a, we used to go and play in a garden. So garden is a place. So where we have to write in a place, name of a place. Elephant. It's already done for you. That is elephant. Elephant is the name of a animal. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.